Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jira and Slack for real-time sprint updates. Complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Jira and Slack for real-time sprint updates, start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Click on Project Settings in the left-hand menu. Select Integrations from the options available. Look for the Slack integration option and click Add. Authorize the integration by signing into your Slack account. Choose the Slack channel where you want to receive updates. Return to Jira and configure the update settings for your chosen channel. You can select notifications for issues created, updated, or transitioned. Save your settings to complete the integration. Now, log into your Slack workspace. Create a dedicated channel for sprint updates if you haven't already. In your Slack channel, start a new conversation and type /Jira. Follow the prompts to connect the Jira project with your Slack channel. Choose the specific notifications you want to receive in Slack. Turn on real-time updates by enabling the relevant options. Test the integration by making a change in Jira to an issue. Check your Slack channel to confirm that the update appears. Adjust any notification settings in Slack as needed for clarity. Encourage your team to engage with the updates in real time. Monitor the integrations regularly to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. With everything set up, you'll now receive timely notifications for your sprint updates. This will improve your team's communication and agility during sprints. You're now ready to manage your projects effectively with Jira and Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.